Alright, so just to kind of show you what I got. So I've opened all three of them up. This definitely feels more like an anatomy course than a cooking class. It's kind of unsettling. They aren't completely thawed. They're kind of gross to touch. I definitely have to put stuff into the butt. So I guess that answers that question. There wasn't like random stuff in them though, so I don't have any of that to deal with. Next week I want something easier, so if you want to recommend something that has nothing to do with chicken, that's fine. Okay. Okay, so yeah, let's wash them off, and I brought extra soap for all the chicken and lotion because my hands are drying out already from washing them so much. And yeah, let's make dinner. Okay.